I've got it's not a bit of turning, it's a bit of workshop organisation. So I thought you might be interested. This is I made this last week and put it on the wall in my workshop. So these are all chuck hubs, which are threaded to the thread on my lathe. So that's the board with the hubs on, and that's after I've added the chucks, etc., and face plates. So I've got a pile of this stuff that I kept moving around, and I thought I ought to organise my workshop better. So I've done that and put them all on.
11 chucks.
Hey, Paul, did you get the spacing correct on the first try?
Pardon?
Did you get your chuck spacing correct on the first try?
Yeah, it worked out right first time. Yeah, fortunately.
Right on.
Nice.
But yeah, I thought you might be interested in seeing that. I've got a few more face plates and things I need to make another board for, but I'll work in progress on the second one.
Yeah, very good.
That's great. Nice idea.
I need a lot of that kind of help.
Great idea.
Are those 3D printed?
Yes, they were. Yes.
Very cool.
Okay.